welcome and welcome back to the One Big Irie family. Please hit that subscribe button even before you start to watch. Okay, so in today's video we're talking about more food and more food. We'll be talking about the typical Japanese school lunch. Yes, Kyushaku. That's what it's called in Japanese, and many persons really don't like it, especially Jamaicans who think it just need a dash of Maggi, some pepper sauce, and you understand? Actually, the school lunch is very good, very nutritious. I'll be showing you some video clippings from Life from where I'm from, who actually did a full documentary on how the school lunch is decided upon, how it is made, and the whole work. So watch until the end to also see a compilation of my own school lunch here in Wakayama. I'm at a junior high school, so this is my typical school lunch. As an ALT, you can decide if you want to take your school lunch or if you want to bring lunch to school. Most ALTs just take Kyushaku. Taking lunch to school can be a little bit mendaksai, can be a little bit challenging, especially if you're at an elementary school. They want you to take the school lunch pro the thing that's happening in the world now. Before that, we had lunch with the kids.
先生は教室で子どもたちと一緒に給食を食べます。
先生、次の時間何ですか？先生。
And they wanted you to have the same lunch because in Japan, that's how it is. They want everybody just to be the same. Not only that, they don't want you to be taking anything to school that will not look like what they want to teach the kids. Nutritionally balanced. So in every school lunch, you'll find that there is some milk, there's some rice for energy, there's some protein, vegetables, and every now and again, they'll give you like some fruits. And the school lunch is typically the same in every school in Japan because Japan is homogeneous. So unlike in Jamaica where there's diversity and students can bring patty, butter and cheese, or they can buy rice and peas and chicken or whatever.
Students can enjoy a wholesome meal for lunch.
Everyone eats this school lunch, even the principals. Yes, so sometimes you find that even the principals get less than the students, and I'm like, how does that add up? But that's just how it is. It's a different culture. These people are humble in so many different ways. Quick story, I remember once I got some lunch and I was like, what the hell is this? Like, seriously, 1 tubs of rice, some dry up chicken, it was fish. So, and I'm like, no, I can see Jamaicans saying, excuse me, if you're gonna serve this today, you should have told me so I can just go outside, go buy my lunch, because I have my money, I can buy my lunch. I can go KFC, McDonald's, Burger King, whatever, or I can bring my own lunch. What is this? I'm honestly thinking that in Jamaica, if we have the school lunch as it is now, where the students serve each other, teachers serve each other, then you know the principal is going to say, you need to just make sure that my plate full. Now, I love my people and I love my culture, but really, the truth is the truth. Anyways, I'm not gonna be talking for too long. I'm gonna just let you get right into the video just to see how it is that school lunches are prepared and just a little snapshot of how the students serve each other. Like in Japan, they're taught to be responsible and to look out for the entire group. So that's a part of it.
Have different responsibilities.
全くないです。1年生も6年生も同じ仕事をします。装うのもやります。ただ1年生、2年生は、担任が補助をする、援助をする機会は。
It's quite interesting. All right, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, let's get into it.
It's going to have okawari, which means seconds.
アウトは出ます。ただ、そんなに回数が多い、毎日っていうわけではないんですけど、そういうちょっと特別な時とか、あとは旬の果物って一番旬を感じる食べ物なので、例えば今月だったらスイカだったりとかメロンだったりっていうのは出します。あとは本校ではお誕生日給食っていうのをやっていて、その月のお誕生日の児童に特別にゼリーを
Virtually every public elementary school in Japan does provide school lunch. So how is it all funded? Well, the national and prefectural governments share costs, and there is a focus on ensuring equality across the nation. The school system builds the kitchen and pays for staffing, while families cover the cost of ingredients.
給食費を払えないご家庭については、基本的に収入が少ないご家庭に対しては生活保護という仕組みが日本にはありますので、その生活保護の中から給食費を払うことになります。
Didn't need to clean up my school like those poor Japanese students. But now as a parent, I'm like, yeah, get those kids cleaning. It'll teach them some responsibility. Seriously though, my kids seem not to mind the cleaning process, just like these students. I even got in on the act.
That was really enlightening, wasn't it? Yeah, when I found that video, I thought the same too. Please remember to watch the entire video. The link is in the description. If you like this video, please like it, share with your friends, and leave me a comment and let me know what you thought about the video. Thank you for coming over. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for supporting. And until next time, this is me. Irie Sensei. See you in the next video. Boom bang, I'm out.